After the moderate cost force in the principal quarter of this current year, the cost of Dent has proceeded to fall. Nevertheless, battles. The crypto market has been enrolling colossal unpredictability throughout the course of recent months. The market isn't responding great to the reception of the Dent organization and the possibility of progression of versatile information and call plans. What befell this Dent organization to free versatile information? Is there any expectation of recuperation? Is there a promising future for this organization? How about we investigate the Dent network alongside Dent cost expectation? Dent has an aggressive arrangement to stretch out its administrations to numerous different nations and make them accessible in something like 140 nations. Dent has likewise collaborated with Samsung Blockchain, the Venture Ethereum Coalition, and Telecom Infra. Right now, the ESM it offers can give web association in 60 nations, and the cash of Dent is accessible in 43 nations. What is Dent? Dentcoin is the local utility token utilized on the Dent organization. The unused information of the client can be offered to different clients on the Dent organization. A large number of gigabytes of unused are squandered consistently. Similarly, as with most telecom suppliers, information can't be turned over to the following month, and clients wind up paying something else for the administrations. Thus, the clients can trade their portable information and exchange it very much like a ware. The commercial center made by Dent Digital Money empowers portable information to exchange with other digital money market members. Since information turns into an item, clients can exchange with one another and cut out the mediator or the telecom organizations. Yet, Dent isn't completely evolved right now. The application has positive and negative surveys, yet it requirements to rival versatile industry specialists for Dent to turn into a broadly utilized stage. Enormous organizations have more assets and experience, making it hard for Dent to gain the current client base. Something else to consider is that empowering versatile information exchanging is certainly not an upper hand and doesn't give a critical motivation to another client to switch. The telecom business is immersed as of now, and despite the fact that purchasing information isn't that simple for clients, the current model actually works. While nations like Mexico and Nigeria have seen the most elevated download for the Dent application, it can possibly effectively target emerging nations where data administrations might in any case be battling. The equivalent can't be said about created nations, where huge organizations as of now bring a functioning plan of action that attempts to the table for their clients' less expensive plans and hold them for extensive stretches. On top, all things considered, the innovation isn't exactly prepared at this point. There are a couple of bugs to a great extent, and joined with low stacking speeds is precisely near ideal for new clients to encounter when they first give a shot the application. Dent specialized examination. The cost of the Dent digital money exchanged decently in the underlying time of 2022. Subsequent to confronting a precarious fall, the Dent cost has stamped range-bound, exchanging around $0.0025 in February and walked 2022. Afterward, it showed a slight recuperation which took the coin cost to around $0.0036 in the principal 7-day stretch of April. Be that as it may, after this flood, the Dent coin cost confronted dismissal and denoted a critical dive. As of late, the vast majority of the digital forms of money confronted huge auction, which led by land Luna cost crash. Starting from the start of this current month, dealers confronted vulnerability connected with their interests in cryptos. Also, consequently, they need to investigate market feeling, long-haul examination and estimates. Brokers can click here to be aware top-to-bottom projections of digital forms of money with specialized investigation prior to financial planning. The Dent coin cost has enlisted a low at $0.00081. In any case, from that point onward, it recuperated soon, and right now, it exchanges above $0.0011. In the following couple of days, the Dent cost could cross its most memorable obstruction of 20-day mama around $0.00131, and afterward, assuming it figures out how to go on with the ongoing energy, the coin could possibly cross $0.0017 soon. In addition, The MACD marker likewise reflects forward movement in the cost pattern. The Bollinger Group's examination shows that the unpredictability originally spiked in January. In spring, the Bollinger Groups reflected press unpredictability, and afterward the Dentcoin cost enlisted a slight recuperation. Be that as it may, in the wake of hitting a high of $0.0039 in the start of the last month, the Dent cost confronted critical negativity. Since the last week, the Dentcoin has started a potential gain development, and consequently, the Bollinger Groups are going to begin crushing. What's more, the RSI is likewise heading towards the non-partisan zone. In light of the specialized pointers, the Dentcoin could exchange sideways before long. In any case, in view of the ongoing forward movement, there is an amazing chance to enter positions and benefit from the exchanges. Starting from the start of this current year, the coin has confronted selling strain, and brokers saw a minor Dent cost drop. The ongoing cost of Dent is around $0.0011. The market capitalization is $113,644,172, and the 24-hour exchanging volume is $47,367,447 with a flowing stockpile of $99,007,791,203 Dent. In light of our estimates, a drawn-out increment is normal. The Dent cost expectation for 2027 is $0.00861. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 617.5%. According to the Figure Information Investigation, the cost of Dent is supposed to cross the degree of $0.00162. Before the year's over, Dent is supposed to arrive at any rate cost of $0.00144. What's more, the Dent cost can get a greatest degree of $0.00166. Financial backers and holders of crypto resources should realize the Dent value forecast 2022. As indicated by our Dent cost expectations, the coin will consistent at its ongoing cost from here onward, indefinitely. By 2022, the Dent is supposed to merit a most extreme worth of $0.001, and the base cost can go up to $0.0009764.8. The Dent cost conjecture depends on verifiable information joined with prescient displane calculations. If it's not too much trouble, note that this Dent coin forecast ought to just be deciphered as an idea. The ongoing Dent cost is battling at around $0.0011. It is difficult to anticipate exact cost levels.